Hello, everyone. Welcome to the cooking show. And of course, we have a guest here introducing. So, how are you today, Mr. Word?
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Host. So, I'm appreciated. So, let's cut this properly. Yeah.
No.
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 Yes. So, I'll measure it 5.
No.
8 centimeter. So, I'm using this knife, of course.
No. No.
This egg. Let's cut this egg, of course. Yes.
No.
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 Oh, fucking cool. So
No.
Shit. Then put it in the.
No.
Oh, sure. Oh, shit. Yeah. Oh,
No.
Oh. Then steer.
No. No.
Sit aside and then of course we will
No.
push it once. Then of course
No. No.
what?
Please like, share, and subscribe.